Hello, this is Shahbaz Siddeeq. Today we'll learn how to paginate your data if you get a huge number of data in your page. So then how you paginate using the Laravel. In this video we will learn how to handle this data through the paginate. So let's start. If you didn't subscribe, please click on the red button below and also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the latest videos. So after this, let's first of all we go to the controller, and if you don't know how to create a controller, then how to get the data from the database, you can see my previous video how to use the lookup model and how to use controller views and routes. I gave the full elaboration of the basics in the Laravel. Now we just need to change the into get to paginate, like I want to get 3, so here now you can see the 3. The next question is how I go to the next page. This is the first page, and I know you can go to the next page with the you can go to the blade.php file, and after that you can use let's dot links function. Here now you can see all data is here, and with the pagination. And now when you install without any template, then you have to like style something with the w5. If you face a styling issue, then you can use this class. Okay, after this the next question is how to customize this pagination, how to style this pagination with your according to your theme, according to your CSS. So if you want to learn, so please write a question in the comment box, and then I will give the response as soon as possible, and I will create a video how to customize and how to style the pagination in an easy way. Thanks for watching, and if you didn't subscribe yet, please click on the red button below, and also be sure to hit the bell icon for the notifications of the latest videos. Please keep support and share with your friends.